Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what I believe is the best chef's knife gift on the market, the enowo Damascus chef knife. This knife isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a work of culinary art. Let's get into why. First off, this knife isn't your average kitchen utensil. It's crafted from Japanese Damascus steel, known for its exceptional sharpness and durability. The blade boasts a VG10 steel core with 67 layers of steel folded together, achieving a remarkable hardness of 60 HRC plus or minus 2 HRC. That means it's not only incredibly sharp but also resistant to corrosion. The edge of this knife is honed to a precise 15 degrees angle on each side using the traditional hanbazook method. This ensures a blade that slices through ingredients effortlessly, maintaining their freshness and moisture, making it perfect for delicate cuts or chopping through tough meats. Now, let's talk about the handle. It's made from G10 military-grade material, designed for comfort and stability. The handle's ergonomic design and full tang construction ensure a secure grip and optimal balance. Whether you're prepping for a quick meal or a grand feast, this knife keeps fatigue at bay even during extended use. And if you're looking for a gift, look no further. The enowo Damascus chef knife comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal present for any occasion. Weddings, birthdays, or simply upgrading someone's kitchen arsenal. But don't just take my word for it. Users rave about its maneuverability, ergonomic feel, and excellent value for money. It's not just a knife, it's a partner in your culinary journey. And let's talk about peace of mind. Enowo stands behind their product with a lifetime after-sales support. Should you ever encounter issues, they offer replacements, not just repairs, ensuring you can enjoy this knife for years to come. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking experience or looking for that perfect gift for a loved one, the enowo Damascus chef knife is where quality meets craftsmanship. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.